First J.
Grabe. Monster. Grabe, monster.
Was it worth it? The name tag ripping? The couple race? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I had so much fun. It was like a child
hide and seek
game when it was really popular when I was like in elementary school here, Running Man.
This is the most kyopta episode. Ano ka ba? Date episode ngayon, ano ka ba?
I was just kidding.
Kung mahal ka talaga ni Kokoy, magpapa-out din siya.
Hindi, ipaglaban mo yan, Kokoy. I believe in you.
Kasi kami, kahit nasa prison kami, basta magkasama, okay lang.
Hindi ko na alam. Basta mag-survive. Ang plan ko is to survive.
Tara, unahin mo natin si Kokoy.
Kokoy muna?
Let's go, Lexi.
Tara. Sana nandun na si Kokoy. Ba't
Hindi, kailangan mo natin
naman niya magtago?
Yun na nga, dahil sobrang galing niya magtago, baka mamaya tulog na siya.
Wait lang!
Ang tagal mo dyan, ah. Haba na ng pahinga mo, ah.
Nagulat ako.
Haba na ng pahinga mo.
Akala ko na nagiginig. Nagulat si Buddy. Nanamutak si Buddy.
Nakaganyan pa talaga.
Kanina kasi...
Kausapin lang kita.
Hindi mo ako kausapin. Muntik mo nung
O, di, sige. Hindi na kita kakausapin.
Sige po ka muna. Po ka muna.
Hindi, out na si Mikael. Out na siya. So, pinagtutulungan ako ni Buboy tsaka ni Lexi.
Oh my God.
Game ka ba, if ever? O, hindi, tayong dalawa.
Anong gamit nila?
Ring.
Ring? Tanggalin natin sing-sing. Game ako.
Yung game.
Tapos kung saan man mapunta, hindi, tsaka na lang.
O, tsaka na tayo mag-usap ulit.
Nasaan kaya si Kokoy? Ba't ang hirap niya hanapin? Wala. Alam mo, ang hindi pwede magkita si Glyza tsaka Kokoy.
Although panalo na tayo eh, kailangan natin i-make sure. Okay? 20...
21, baba ulit tayo.
Somewhere here. Kaso kita...
Oo, kita eh.
Kita agad yan eh. Corner natin.
Dito.
Right? Paano?
Dito. Split. Split na to.
Split?
Kaya natapos natin ito. Bullet for the win.
Wala, ano yun? Ano ba? Koy? Kokoy, imnida? Wala dyan.
Ha!
Wala nga.
Lexi! Halika! Wala ta dito, Lexi! Wala ta dito! Wala ta dito!
O di baba na tayo. O di baba na tayo. Ay, ay, ay! Ay, ay, ay! Ay, ay, ay! Boy. Sige. Ako. Hawakan mo. Wala.
I love you, Bucky. I love you. You're my idol. You're my idol. You're my idol. I love you, Bucky.
Natapos na ang ating couple swap at ang nanalong best soulmates ay walang iba kundi Buboy at Lexi of Bullet.
Thank you, guys.
Congrats, guys!
Hindi, ako, happy lang ako all throughout. Sobrang silent talaga ng mission. Pinangako ko talaga kay Lexi, sa van pa lang. Sa hirap at ginawa, kasama niya ako. Yun yung sinabi ko sa kanya.
Hirap ang ginawa.
Hoy, tumaas yung heart rate!
Yung heart rate, bakit tignan nga po? Ano?
Ako, may tanong ako, Lexi, hindi mo na sisigawan at pagagalitan yung kasama mo? Happy ka na sa kanya.
Basta nandito lang siya, huwag siyang tatawid dun sa kabilang bakod. Baka
Kaya na
mamaya
ako na din sa
tumawid na-
pinakakanan eh.
Baka tumawid na naman eh.
Sige. Thank you, Nancy. Nancy, did you enjoy your time with us?
I had so much fun today. It was a blast. You guys were so kind to me. Thank you so much. You were so welcoming.
All right. And ako, curious lang ako personally, is there any moment that stands out for you?
I don't know if it's like the best moment, but it's probably the most memorable I had today. I don't think I'll be drinking beer for a while.
At dahil kayo ang nanalo, meron kayong special prize. Finalist ng reality K-pop idol search na Universe Ticket. Alicia and Geely. Alicia, it's them.
Ayan ang sinasabi ko sa'yo! Hoy, halika na! Ayan na nga ba ang sinasabi ko eh.
Okay, wait. We need to introduce ourselves. So, who is Alicia and who is Jelly?
Nice meeting you.
Teka lang ha, dito ka. Diyan ka.
Hi, I'm Buboy.
Kakaus!
Hi, I'm Alicia.
Okay, and you are Jelly.
I'm Jelly.
Jelly. Alicia and Jelly. Palakpakan naman natin si Alicia.
Kinuha ko na kagad. Is this mine? Is this ours?
This is for you.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it so much. Like 100%.
Ang dami mong English ngayon ha.
And the other one?
It's for Ate Lexi.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Kamsahamnida.
Kwento
Kwento nyo naman, what did you both of you win? What did both of you win?
Part po kami ng Universe Ticket, which is Girl Group Global Edition. And the both of us managed to get into the debut lineup of. So right now we're preparing for our debut.
So please look forward to that.
Okay.
So congratulations. We're very proud.
So it's all over social media. The Philippines is very, very proud. Galing nyo. Okay, Nancy, we need your professional advice.
Me?
Yeah!
As a K-idol, future K-idols.
You guys are doing well. You guys are the new generation. You guys gotta do what you gotta do. You guys are doing already perfect.
Perfect. All right, thank you.
Nancy, thank you. 감사합니다.